Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the 20 EMA Day Trading Strategy Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the 20 EMA Day Trading Strategy Indicator. But before we do, wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So far we have tested 73 indicators, and out of those 73 indicators, 21 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best two so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 21 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the 20 EMA Day Trading Strategy Indicator. It is a TradingView member created indicator, and so there will be the link down below in the description to this indicator. It is a 20 EMA. They call it a day trading strategy, but the creator said that it works best on the 4-hour and above. And so, of course, we don't trade anything but the 1 hour, or I'm sorry, the 1 day. And so the 1 day is how we are going to test it. Now, the creator said that it was able to achieve a around a 60% win rate. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test. It is a 20 EMA price action cross when we get right down to it. And we've tested price action cross before, and I think when we did it, it was only around 45% win rate, somewhere in that area, if I remember right. Of course, I don't think we did it on the 20 period, though. I forget off the top of my head. I think maybe we did it on the 30 period, like we did the rest of the moving average testing, the head-to-head that we did. And so, yeah, basically, it is a price action, and so when price breaks up above, that's a signal to go long. When it breaks down below, that's a signal to go short. The creator who wrote it actually coded in the signals for us, and so we don't have to sit and watch. We can just wait for it to make the cross. Now, strangely enough, I don't believe that this is solely a price action break strategy, because it does appear that there are moments where price action breaks the moving average and it does not give a signal. So the creator was not very clear in explaining exactly how the indicator works. pretty vague explanation, but they have coded in where we should go long and where we should go short. So that makes it pretty easy to understand the mentality behind when we should trade it. So with that all being said, we are going to start the process here, and we are going to see what we can get out of this indicator. So here is the first one. Unfortunately, it broke and turned around, came right back down. On the way down, though, it definitely hit the take profit, and so that will be the first winning trade there. Let's see, looks like it's getting chopped up here in this ranging market. On the right, there we go. Let's see, there's this one. It came down and broke that one. Let's see where it goes. There we go. We got the short there on that one. So not horrible, but not great so far. We'll keep playing it out. See what else we can get out of this thing. Like I said, I think it's kind of strange that sometimes it breaks moving average, but it does not give us a signal. So they must have coded in some kind of extra strategy into when it fires off a signal. But we'll see what happens. That's why it's always worth testing indicators like this, even though we have tested moving averages, we have tested moving average price action breaks. You know, we've put moving averages through quite the testing process. I think they are the most tested at this point, the most tested indicator. And so some may question, well, you know, if we've tested them already, we've tried every single one, why should we even attempt to test this specific indicator? And that's because there are times like this one where it's not just simply a moving average. There's other stuff built into it, as well as different time frames than we have tested and so on. And so instead of just assuming that it's not going to work, we should put it to the test, see what we can get out of it before making assumptions. Seems to be doing okay. Like I said, not horrible, not great as far as I can tell. It keeps getting hit with this choppiness, in out trading, which seems to be the biggest downfall when it comes to trading moving averages, especially on a price action break type setup. Not too far from the end of the year. Keep on moving along here. There's December. See if we get another signal or two out of it here before we call it a year. Nope. That was it right there. That one was outside of 2018. Okay, so not a whole lot of signals. So it wasn't over trading, wasn't really under trading either. So let's see here. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades. And out of those, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 winning trades. And so, unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% standard that we're looking for, and does not meet the 60% standard that the creator claimed it was able to achieve either. So that's interesting. And again, that's why you don't just take people's word for it and get out there with real money and jump out there and start trading without doing any kind of testing at all, like we are doing here. We need to have some kind of confirmation that we can actually profitably trade these indicators and not just, buy someone's snake oil and jump out there and lose all of our money because of it. And so, yeah, like I said, unfortunately, this one is going to go on the no list. About a 50%, is a 50% win rate on this one. So slightly better than when we tested the price action. Actually, when we tested the price action break, it wasn't on the EMA. I think it was on just a standard moving average. So it actually doesn't quite compare. I believe when we tested the EMA, the exponential moving average, on a price break when we were doing the head-to-head, I believe ours was actually able to achieve a 60% win rate, if I remember right. And so just shows you right there how tweaking the settings just a little bit can make a reasonable difference in how the indicator trades and what you're able to achieve with it. So yeah, nonetheless, like I said, this one is going on the no list, and we are going to move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.